guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and today I'm opening some swap mail. I wanted to share this with you guys. It's been a really fun project that I was looking forward to, and last month, in the month of May, I agreed to enter into a swap because I could only commit to one thing for the entire month because I was moving, and so I committed to this with the ladies from the Facebook group called Made by You. It was organized by Evelyn Valencia. Last year we entered into a swap with tags. The agreement was that we would make a tag with 3 to 5 elements on that tag, and last year it was a 50s style swap, and this year the theme was glam. So I'm super excited to open the packages and show you what I received. Let's get started. This one here came in the mail from Evelyn, Miss Evelyn herself, and I went ahead and opened the envelope. I could not wait, but here it is. And let me tell you, I mean, I was so blown away last year that I was like, oh my gosh, next year I want to do it again. And I was so happy when she brought it up. The ribbon here is a little black ribbon, very classy. It says pretty girl. It's so adorable. All right, so I'm just gonna slip this off. I am so super excited. I can't even wait to show you guys what I plan on doing with these. So here's her, okay, I'm gonna show you guys her tag. So you can go follow Evelyn. That's her name, Evelyn Valencia. And it says gorgeous on washi tape here. And at the back of the tag is all this paper that has little black hearts on it. So black and white, and look at this. It's so sweet. I think I lost a little pearl there, but that's okay. It looks like a curtain, kind of like a swag here. And then she's used this ribbon that's got little roses, and then it looks like she stickled it. And then added, look at the tiniest little pink bow there with a little pearl. And there is Miss Audrey Hepburn herself, I'm guessing. That's adorable. And I don't know if that's a stamp or not, but it looks lovely. And so she's peeking out of that little sheer curtain. And this looks to be almost as if it were a very fancy frame. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. And then the background paper is a leopard print, but it's got gold on it also. And then, let's see here, she's got some perfume bottles. And this one says, hello beautiful. This one says perfume. This one's got a black ribbon on it. And there are pearls and glimmer everywhere. Very sweet. It looks like she added glitter to it. And then the bottom's just this little ruffle that's really girly and cute. So thank you, Miss Evelyn. That's our first tag. I'm going to keep this with it. And then the next one that I received here was from, I believe this one's from Millie. And this one is looking to be in a black and white theme. So here we go. And it's got this cute little topper here, and I love the paper because it's this iridescent silver. And she put my name there with a little set of lips. So cute. All right. It makes it exciting. Oh, and she was so sweet to include some goodies, which that was one rule, is that we were not to send goodies. But some of us are rule breakers. So, all right, look at that. She sent this gorgeous trim that is silver, and it is super uber sparkly. And then some gems there. And oh, look at these. I think those are polka doodle girls. Let me take a look. I can't resist. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh, and I wonder if she printed these out. I think they are. I don't think they're colored in. I think they're printed. Oh, but she's so pretty. She's got her little bun. Look at those images. Adorable. And then, ooh la la. She is, look at Miss Thang. Wow, very sassy. Oh my goodness. So of course with the theme glamorous, it absolutely makes sense. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. Thank you so much. It's very sweet. And I love how you package this with the silver washi, and then she just made it all like one little group there. That's awesome. Oh, and look at that. She used the same little girl on the tag. I didn't even notice. So her tag looks to be like one of the graphic 45 ones. And it's got a black base, and then it says, "Thank you for swapping with me, Millie Rivera." So there's her name there. How sweet. And then she stamped "Glamorous, beautiful, darling, gorgeous." And I recognize the stamp because that's from the LOL girls. And I have that stamp set. It's so adorable. And then so she added the little polka doodle girl there, holding her little purse. And it's the softest pink. I don't know if the camera's picking that up because of the background here, so... Oh, but it's so pretty. And then look at this flower. It's got all those gems on it and the word hello. And then on the back... Oh my gosh! She used them both, guys! This is so cool! Oh, I love that. Okay, so she basically, I got 2 tags in one here. So she added the word friends up here, which is so, so perfect for this. And then here, this looks to be almost like, oh, I forget the name of this stuff. But this fluffy paper, I forget what it's called. And then she added, oh my gosh, you guys have to see this. She added like little rhinestones. That is so pretty, like a trim. And then this, another curtain here. How cool is that? And the tie back, look at that. So super glamorous. Oh my gosh, and she added gems there. Very, very lovely. And she is wearing a crown. I love this. I love all the detail. It's so pretty and it's shiny. Oh my gosh, very, very cute. Okay, so let's move on to the next one from Sherrie Jones. So thank you so much, Sherrie, for swapping. And let's take a look at her tag. And she put it in this nice little bag. Oh, how sweet. Oh, you know what? I'm going to keep this here. Look at that. It says lips and lashes. And look at... The lashes are like 3D. Oh my goodness. That's hilarious. Oh, it's how cute. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, let's start at the top. It's got this LOL ribbon here tied, and then she added some lips, she added some bling, and it says, "Be glamorous, darling." And there are the lashes again. Oh my gosh. They're just so cute. And then she's got a makeup brush and a lipstick, and then there is Miss Thang. She's gorgeous. Wow, how pretty. And her dress is just stunning. I love the illustration. It's very pretty. And then she's got a vase of roses there. And her shoes, look at that, with some little diamonds there. Very classy, very pretty. And then the back has these gems, and it says Glam Girl Swap by Sherrie Jones. Thank you so much, Sherrie. That is gorgeous. Oh, this is so much fun. The next one here comes from, so this is from Lecy Morales. Yep, Lecy. And thank you so much, Lecy, for swapping. It looks like, oh, thank you so much. These are awesome. These are stickers from, I think it's the dollar store that carries these. I've used them to make embellishments, and they are a lot of fun because they are dimensional, and these are covered like in glitter. This one says dream. It's got that big, big butterfly there. And this one with the little bird. Oh, so pretty. They're adorable. Thank you so much. Those are gorgeous. All right, and here is her tag. Wow. Oh, I just love seeing the variety. This is what's so much fun about swapping, is that everyone's got their own style, and you just learn so much from people, really. Look at this. So this is a gold and black ribbon, and that one's real lacy there. And she used almost like a navy blue paper, but it's shimmered in gold. And I don't know if the paper came like that or if she sprayed it, but it's just stunning. And then it says, "Follow your heart, it knows the way." So that's a stamped image there. And then I believe this is one of those Prima doll stamps. I don't own any, so I'm not quite positive, but I think it is. And then she added the Eiffel Tower, and then her little hair here, she put a little gem on her headband, And then a necklace also. It's so pretty. And then her dress has glitter on it. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Then down here, there's a cluster here of flowers that have a lot of texture on them. It's so pretty. And then the little butterfly in gold, and there's this almost like a jute ribbon there at the bottom. So hopefully you guys can take that all in. It is so lovely. And it says handcrafted by Lecy, and it is embossed in gold with a little butterfly. How pretty. That is stunning. So the last one, and I technically could have done this a little bit sooner, but I did ask them to send me the tags a tiny bit late because I was not going to be able to receive them prior. So thank you, ladies, for cooperating with me with that. So this one comes from Deanna. So Deanna, thank you so much. It looks like she sent a little something extra here. Oh my goodness, what is this? It says cloudy then sunny, and it's a little cloud. I've never gotten a cloud. It looks to me like this fun packaging. Oh my gosh, where did you get this? This is hilarious. Oh, oh my gosh. Wow, I'll bet Deanna made... Wait, yep, she made that. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. So she's tied it together, and it is, oh, like a sample of lace. Oh my gosh, wow, look at how gorgeous this is. Now Deanna's all about shabby chic, so she has these gorgeous laces. Deanna, thank you so much. This looks expensive. Wow, and it's on one of these, I don't know what they're called, but look at, she shabbied that up with a bunch of little flowers and gems, and oh, I would love to learn how to do that. That is so gorgeous. It's just so girly girl and definitely glam. Look at that. How cute. Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So here's the tag, and she also put it in a gorgeous little bag here. So pretty with the blue and white. I love this tissue paper with all the little bits and glimmer here. Oh, look at this. So true to her style, Deanna went with the pink and shabby colors, and it's got a pink ribbon up here, a little doily flower there, or crochet I should say, and it says hello gorgeous on this cute little tag. And then here's her little doll there, and she's wearing a flower in her hair. She's got sequins, or not sequins, but diamonds, or whatever you call that, bling there on her dress. The paper that she used for the dress is absolutely phenomenal. And then there's all these little flowers down here. And she did another, like a swag here also. And then all of these flower clusters, together. And the tiniest little roses, oh my goodness, they're so pretty. And there's this die right behind her that's in rose gold. And that is just lovely. Oh my gosh, it plays so well together with the colors that she used. And then down here, she's got a pink ribbon and then this tiny little, just sweet trim there. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I'm loving all the details, all the layers, the textures. This is just stunning. And then there's the back with that pretty rose paper. It says handmade by Deanna Marie, made by you, 2019. So there they all are. Here is the one that I made. And what I did was that I used I believe it's a Marianne Designs die to cut the tag top. And I used some seam binding that I dyed using oxide inks to match the color scheme. So I went with the mints and pinks. I made a shaker, as you can tell here, using one of Nicole's Silhouette dies that makes a perfume bottle. I topped it off with a little bow in the mint green, and the paper had some gold in it. And then I added a little pink pearl with some of this eyelash yarn, I guess you could call it. I stamped an image of a girl and colored her in, and then fussy cut her and put her on top of some pink floral paper. and then I stamped the word chic onto vellum. I did heat emboss that, and it gave it some glimmer there, and then I used some dyes from my stash to create these little flowers that I then dyed with oxides also to just match everything. And then I used some corner dyes to add this little edge there to the pocket that I made. In the pocket I included a little envelope, and I made a little card, a little note card for each of the ladies. I think for theirs, yes, I'm pretty sure for theirs I used a different dye. For this one, because I was keeping it, I just used that little perfume bottle one. But they all were made with the same sort of papers, and then I stamped the front. Then I also added another little pocket here that I created with a die cut, and I added the little shoe with the bling there. The little bow I stamped on vellum and embossed that also, and I colored in the little heel, and that had another little envelope with an embossed little swan there, and I added the little edge there. And then I just put some little goodies. Mine, I just put some little vellum gloves there, but for the ladies I added some other little goodies in there. And then it had this little edge here that I created, and the whole thing was just distressed. And on the back I put a proverb that says, Proverbs 31:30, charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. So that was my tag, and I added the little ribbon there on top. So I hope that all of the ladies have enjoyed the one that I sent out. Like I said before, this was a lot of fun, and here they all are. And this was, yeah, a super fun tag swap, and I hope that you guys can enjoy this and let me know what you think. Please leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to follow the ladies on Made by You at Facebook, and I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed. Have a great day. Bye-bye.